A very good morning to all my dear students. We are back with our lesson number 7, I Love Gujarat, session number 2. So, let's get started. Dear children, today we will be learning about mountains and hill ranges, rivers and dams, fisheries and shipping, Dang forest and different places of Gujarat. Mountains and hill ranges. Children, Girnar is an ancient hill in Junagadh. It is covered with Hindu and Jain temples that are spread over the summits. Pavagadh in Vindhyachal hill ranges in Panchmahal is famous for Mahakali temple. Children, Arasur hill in the Arvali ranges is located in Banaskantha. The famous Ambaji temple is located on this hill. Saputara hill is located in the Satpura range of Dang district, which is a famous hill station. Shatrunjay hill is located in Bhavnagar. Dear children, our next topic is fisheries and shipping. Children, there is a big center of fishery in Veraval along the coastal region of Gujarat. A huge business of wrecked ships is thriving in the Alang port in Bhavnagar district. Building wood of teak is produced in a huge quantity. Now, dear children, do you know Veraval is also known as the hub of fishing industries in India. Now, dear children, Alang is the world's biggest ship-breaking yard with hundreds of ships getting scrapped every year. Now, dear children, I will tell you what is the meaning of wrecked. Children, wrecked means destroyed, crashed, demolished. Okay? Now, children, in the past 3 decades, Alang becomes a major worldwide center for ship breaking. Do you know, children? Decades means it is a period of 10 years. So, 3 decades means how many years? Come on. Yes, 30 years. Dang forest. Children, bamboo, sadhak, sisam, hadarvo and timru trees grow in the forest of Dang. Children, the entire Dang district is mostly a forest region. The beautiful botanical garden of Vagai and Gira waterfall are also there in Dang. Narmada river. Dear children, Narmada is the longest river of Gujarat. It is known as the lifeline of Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh. It is used for irrigation and navigation purpose. Dear children, do you know it is considered as the sacred river of Gujarat? Now, dear children, what is irrigation? Irrigation means the supply of water from the river to land or crops is known as irrigation. Now, what is navigation? Dear children, navigation means providing correct and accurate directions for a particular route. In this case, by using the position of the river. Sabarmati River. Children, the Sabarmati River runs through the center of Ahmedabad. Gandhi Ashram is situated on the banks of this river. Riverfront is a waterfront being developed along the banks of this river. Tapi and Mahisagar are also big rivers in Gujarat. Next one, Sardar Sarovar Dam. Children, Sardar Sarovar Dam is built on the Narmada River. By this irrigation scheme, water is supplied to many regions of Gujarat and Kutch. This dam also generates electricity. Next one, Gandhinagar. Children, do you know Gandhinagar is the capital of Gujarat? It is the greenest capital city in Asia with more than 50% of its total area covered by trees. Amazing! Yes or no, children? Yes. Akshardham Temple, Swaminarayan Temple, Indroda Park, etc. are the famous places of Gandhinagar. Next one, Mahatma Mandir. Children, Mahatma Mandir is located at Sector 13C, Gandhinagar. It is inspired from the philosophy of Mahatma Gandhi. It is one of the biggest convention center of India. Do you know, children, what is convention center? It means a building or group of buildings where large groups of people gather for meetings or events. Gandhi Ashram. Children, it is known as the Sabarmati Ashram. It is situated on the banks of the river Sabarmati. Gandhiji lived in this ashram for many years. This ashram is now a national monument. Next one, Kakaria Lake. Children, it is located in Maninagar area. It is the second largest lake in Ahmedabad. A lakefront is developed around it, which has many public attractions like zoo, toy train, kids city, water rides and many more. Children, Do you know many cultural, art and social activities are organized during the carnival? Now, dear children, let me share few lines about our Gujarat. Gujarat is ours, neither mine nor yours, neither his nor hers. Gujarat belongs to us. Gujarat is ours. Dear children, this concludes our lesson. Now, I request all of you to read the lesson once again and write down the difficult words in your notebook and try to find the meanings from the dictionary. Children, I request all of you to write the worksheet and its solution in your notebook. Dear children, till we meet again, stay safe, stay healthy, and take very good care of yourself. Bye. Thank you.